back. It's a collaboration, so we have chemistry. We know what we're gonna do.
Welcome to Party Slayers with Lapoosh. It's all about the groove culture, baby. The partying, the dancing, the slaying, the song.
Welcome to Party Slayers. I'm with my beautiful duo, like a duo or a duo. What are you guys?
Just individuals.
Okay, female DJs. Yeah. Okay, the individual. Yeah. Okay, so DJ Bani. Zanova.
Queen.
Okay. DJ Zanova and DJ Queen. So you guys are partnering this DJ thing, ne? And you guys are females, ne? And DJing is dominant on males. How do you guys handle that?
So for me, it was more of like competing with a man before I go out there. So already I have that vibrant energy of a man, so actually it doesn't affect me a lot. It doesn't.
Same here.
Same.
Yeah.
Same.
I'm not intimidated. It's no longer a male-dominated industry. Like now we have, it's actually now it's a 50-50.
Oh, it's a 50-50 thing. Nezwa, it's a 50-50 thing. In terms of indoda, so how do you choose the songs? When you are or do you let her play or?
We're both playing.
So CDJs are two. Okay. I have mine. She has AI Kiabo. So it's a thing of Fugusi. You look at the crowd first, and also you try to connect to the person that you're playing. You cannot play piano then Athletic Powers connection I think. So Makashai number and Shaistina, then we both decided to go okay, what was about commercial, I see, okay. Commercial wise, and people were happy.
Oh, okay. So manje, it doesn't happen with ube jealous ukuthi ukushaye inamba and then people are dancing for her song and they're not dancing for your song.
No, it's not jealousy. It's like motivation for you to put like a better song.
Yeah.
There's no competition in that way, especially if it's a back-to-back. It's a collaboration, so we have chemistry. We know what we're gonna do. We discuss, stuff like that.
Oh, you guys discuss before you go for a set.
Or we just
Exactly, it depends on the person you are.
Yeah.
If you came with the mindset of competing, then you're gonna compete. Yeah, but if you came with the mindset of actually collaborating and learning from that person as well, because there's a lot of things you can learn from us. Yeah, but so yeah, it's a thing.
Okay, I love this collaboration. DJ Queen and
DJ Zanova.
Bebalana Rewind Gumkhodu Mondays, and hope to see you guys back soon. Where are you guys based?
Davidson.
Midrand. Yeah.
So how did you guys like?
They booked
us.
Oh, so you guys
I know each other from Instagram. We see each other from time to time through gigs that are the same.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't say we are friends, but she knows me and I know her.
Oh, okay.
She follows me and I follow her.
Yeah. Okay. Nidlaluma follow one. Okay, but I love this duo and nice sets. Guys, being no DJ Zano, no DJ Zano. No, DJ Queen and DJ Zano. Okay, guys, it was love meeting you. Thank you for the interviews. Gantanda, keep on pushing. Power to the ladies. Thank you. Ama.